Pashupati Kumar Paras is an Indian politician from the state of Bihar and Minister of Food Processing Industry in the Union Cabinet. He is currently serving as a member of Lok Sabha from Hajipur. And he was Minister for Animal and Fish Resources Department in the Government of Bihar. He is the younger brother of late Ram Vilas Paswan, and he was also the state president of the Bihar unit of Lok Janshakti Party. He was elected as the national president of Lok Janshakti Party replacing Chirag Kumar Paswan in June 2021. He has been a member of Bihar Legislative Assembly 7 times from Alali since 1977. He has earlier served thrice as a minister in the state, having lost the last election in 2015. At the time of his appointment as a minister in 2017, he was neither a member of assembly nor council and was therefore later accommodated as an MLC from the governor's quota. He became Minister of Food Processing Industry in second Modi ministry when cabinet overhaul happened. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.